Day 101 of canoeing across Canada. It's pretty hazy behind me. There's heaps of fires in the north and in Manitoba at the moment, and it's a slight northerly, so all the smoke's coming this way. I'm sitting on Scott's Beach on Scott Island in Lake of the Woods. So let's get this day started. Canoeing across Canada. Ahead of me is a tiny little island that I can see. I don't know why, I've just got a good feeling about it. Hopefully it's got a flat spot on it. Nothing to report, beautiful day. Absolutely stunning.